Hello beaders, it's Jerry. Welcome back to Beachside Bead Boutique. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and you will be notified of all my uploads. And on my channel, I do jewelry DIYs, bead unboxing videos, and bead hauls. And today, I am really excited because I have a bead haul from Hobby Lobby. I went a few days ago and I got quite a bit of stuff, and I'm really excited just to show you guys what I got. But actually technically it's not a bead haul. I said a bead haul, but I did get a couple of other things. But with that, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I got this nice tube of beads, and there's a nice mixture of beads in here. So without taking them all out, and it looks like we have mostly seed beads on the top. I don't want to take out too many. I'll show you with a different pack. Okay, so nice pretty assortment of pinks and purples, and then you see some white and little crystal-y gray beads. But just a really pretty assortment of pinks and purples and some whites, and like I said, a little bit of gray, or that might be a deep purple, but see some heshy beads, and then of course the seed beads, little faceted beads, but really pretty. I love purple. Okay, and then the next item is the same thing basically, but with the blues and the whites, teal. Let's see if we can get a different kind of mixture in here. Okay, so some, see, little bigger beads, and then we have some little crystals and pretty seed beads in there. Just a really pretty assortment of blues and teals, whites and turquoise. The same thing, see, we have little sparkly white beads, just really pretty. Same thing, heshy beads. And that looks pretty together. I love blue and purple together. And then another pack, same thing. So pretty yellows and whites. That's pretty. It's really pretty, really sunny. Yeah, I like that. And then, oh, well, I didn't know I got another purple pack. Okay, oh, and actually this is different. This is just seed beads. 6-0 glass seed beads. So very pretty. Yeah, see, this one has some bigger beads and the pinks. And this one is just the purple with white. This is a bead treasure. Glass and polymer clay. Okay. Yes, but very nice. And then again, another pack. Have to get our oranges, but same thing, very pretty. Different color variations of orange and white. A little bit of creamy colors in there. That's pretty. Just to give you an idea of what it consists of. And these kind of beads are good for any kind of a project. And actually, I do have some projects in mind using these beads. That's why I bought, you know, all the colors. So, and then of course we have one more. Look at these gorgeous shades of pinks. I mean, they are so pretty. I love pink. And again, it's the same Look, it's so pretty. And again, good for any kind of projects. So again, here they all are. Just a beautiful assortment of mixed beads. Really pretty. I love these colors together, all of them. I'm a bright and colorful person. In case you guys couldn't tell, I love bright, bold colors. So this is it. Okay. Then next, I bought some 26 gauge copper wire, and yeah, so we got all the colors here. And same thing, I do have a project in mind to use this with. That's why I bought the 26 gauge, because actually I wanted the bronze-ish color, so I figure I might as well just get all the colors. And they do have different gauge also. They had I think 24 and 22, something like that, but similar, you know, to this. And then I got some Czech glass bead packs. Let's see if I can open these to show you. Pretty colors. Oops. Blue and purple, yellow, tan, little leaves and seed beads, some grays in there, but very pretty. It looks kind of fallish to me, these colors. It reminds me of fall. Very pretty though. See, we have some bigger beads in there too. And then again, now this is the same exact pack. I guess I didn't realize that I have two of the same. But hey, that's okay, because you know, they can always be used for several projects. I could have a bracelet and earrings to match, a necklace and a bracelet. So I might actually end up going in to get a third pack. They're pretty colors. I guess that's why I bought two. I just really like the colors. Okay. And then we have another Czech glass bead pack with pretty pinks and reds, white, a little bit of green in there. Just to show you the variations of beads in here. Pretty colors though. And then these beads were all 50% off. Okay, now we got something other than beads. I got all these bandanas. Oops, don't want to knock some beads out. All these bandanas. And this one looks like it has something on it. So I don't know what that's from. It must have been something at my house. And it has a cat hair on it. Not surprised with that. I don't know. Yeah, it sure does. I don't know what that is. Looks like something spilled on it. Oh well. And then these were all 99 cents. So pretty colors. Actually, they all go with my beads pretty much. Yeah, they all do, don't they? Next, we will do the bead strands. So I got these, and these are wood beads. They're very light. Like they're not heavy at all, so it feels like they're probably hollow. And then I got this cute Czech glass bead strand. And look at that's cute with the little kitties. See, we have two little kitties on there. And I just thought this was really pretty for fall. It just really gives me a fall vibe, which these actually look like they could probably be pumpkins. So, I mean, with fall coming up, I mean, I'm sure going to use these. And actually, fall is my favorite time of the year. So, but I just thought this was really pretty with this. Like, that's, you know, just brings that out. The colors are nice. And then I have this seed bead strand. These are coated plated glass, okay? But same thing, looks nice. These colors looks nice with these. And then we have a couple of these coconut chip beads, coconut shell beads. I really like these because I've already used them in, I know, a couple of projects, and they're just very versatile because they work with anything pretty much to me, and they look really beachy. So that's another bonus. Okay, and then I got these big colorful disc beads, and these were on clearance. So I figure, why not? I mean, you know, I don't have a project in mind to use them for, but for $2.12, I mean, who could pass that up? And it's, you know, a lot of beads here, so just thought that was a good deal. And then next, and I love these dyed agate. These big, chunky stone. Again, looks really nice. With this, we can make a 3-strand bracelet right there. I think they are really pretty together and all very fallish to me. Yeah, I love these. I like these big stone beads. Pretty color combination. And then next we have this, and this is dyed wood. But I just thought these were different. Nice colors, and again, they look good with that. Look at that. I think that is really pretty together. And even that, bring in a little bit of extra color. I think they're really nice. And I do like these a lot. You know, I have 2 kitty cats, so I'm definitely a cat freak. So when I saw these, I'm like, yeah, I have to get these. Plus, fallish and just really cute. I mean, look at the cat's face. Hold on, okay. Look at the kitty's face. Very cute. And then we have these. Look at the pretty colors in here. We have blue, brown, reddish color, cream, and then an even deeper blue. Even a little bit of greenish color. But yeah, I like these. And then, okay, this is from a previous time. This actually had 3 strands with it. And this is what I used when I did the cowrie shell earrings, and then I also did a knotted bracelet, and I used these beads. But yeah, it came with 3 strands, very nice beads, 3 different strands of beads. So same thing, very pretty though, with different color variations. And then I have these. These are dyed strawberry quartz. But look at how pretty these are. I love rocky kind of beads like this. And that color is just really pretty. And I bought this to go with this. Now look at how pretty these are. So these are dyed plated glass, okay? But very pretty, and look at how nice that looks together. I just thought that was just really nice. And then these are just wood rings. Now, you know, sometimes when you go in the store and you have like something and you see something, you're like, oh, I could use that for this, or, you know, so then you're just like, well, let me go ahead and get it. And then by the time you think about it and you forget what you had in mind to use it for. So, but yeah, I just thought I could paint these. And yeah, I do have a project in mind, so pick these up. They were $1.49 for this pack. And one more thing, last but not least, these bead mix brown multi. Now they look like wood beads, but I'm assuming they're probably like plastic or resin. Well, let's open it up and look. Yeah, let's open it up and look at it. Okay, so we have a lot of different shapes and styles, and yeah, I would say they're probably like a plastic bead, but meant to look like a wood bead, but very cute, and you know, could be used for a whole lot of different things. And I mean, this bag is a nice size bag, so I mean, that's a good deal for $7.99. And I think this was on sale too. It's like the bead gallery, or yeah, Bead Design Co. So yes, everything from Bead Design Co. I believe was 50% off too. So $7.99, and then, you know, $4 for this big bag. So who can pass that up? Apparently not me. So anyway, this is my bead haul from Hobby Lobby, and I look forward to making something with you guys really soon. Like I said, I already have some things in mind that I want to make with all these, so I'm really excited to share it with you. All right, well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like my Hobby Lobby bead haul, and you know, if you see something you like, you know, you could go to Hobby Lobby and check it out. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Thank you. Bye-bye.